Hey friends, welcome to Nai Graphics. In this video, we are going to draw this abstract design, which is a simple play of black and white stripes and a little use of blend tool. So let's see how to draw it. We will start with creating a new document. Go to Web menu here and select Web Large Document. Here select points as unit of measure for this document and click Create button. First of all, make sure that the Smart Guides option is on. Now come to Edit menu, go to Preferences and here click on Units. Here make sure that the unit of measurement is set to points for all these three options. And now turn off this Align R2 Pixel Grid button. Pick Line Segment tool, come right on the edge of the artboard and draw a straight line up to this end of the artboard like this. Set the stroke size to 40 and keep its color to black only. Now if you see closely here, half of the stroke size, that is 20 points, is out of the artboard. To bring it inside the artboard, keep it selected and double click on black arrow tool to open Move dialog box. Enter 20 points here for vertical movement to move it downwards by 20 points so that it fits completely inside the artboard bounds. With this selected, double click again on the black arrow tool to open the Move dialog box. Enter 40 for vertical movement and press Copy. This copy is still selected and now change its color to white. Again, select this upper black path, double click on black arrow tool to open Move dialog box. Now enter 80 for vertical movement and press Copy. With this new copy selected, press Ctrl D to repeat this section for 12 times. Here we have total 14 black stripes. Now select this white stripe. Again press Ctrl D to repeat the move action. Press Ctrl D for 12 times to make total 13 white stripes. Okay, one part of the design is ready. Now come to Layers panel. Lock this layer and name it Stripes. Hide this layer for now by pressing this visibility button. Now create a new layer and name it Frame. Pick Rectangle tool. Click once here to open its dialog box. Here enter 850 for width and 520 for the height. Keep the stroke size to 40 only and change the stroke color to black. Keep the fill color to none. Now with this rectangle selected, pick black arrow tool. Pick this rectangle and place it right at the corner of the artboard like this. Now pick white arrow tool. Select this anchor point and delete it. We are now left with this L shape. With this shape selected, double click on the black arrow tool. Enter 40 for horizontal movement and -40 for this vertical movement and press Copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat this section for 3 times. And here we have total 5 paths now. Select this second path. Change its stroke to white. And then select this fourth path and change its color to white too. Okay, now pick the Line Segment tool. Click once to open its dialog box. Enter 570 for the length and enter 270 here to draw a vertical line. Set the stroke to 1 and change the stroke color to black. With this selected, come to the Effect menu, Distort and Transform and select Twist. Set the angle value here at 40 degrees and press OK. With this selected, come to the Object menu and click Expand Appearance. With this selected, double click the black arrow tool to open the Move dialog box. Enter 130 for horizontal movement and 0 in vertical and press Copy. With this new line selected, press Ctrl D to repeat this section for 5 times. Now we have total 7 paths and we will color them now. For this, select this first path and give it this green color. Select this path and give it this yellow color. Select this path and color it orange. Select this path and make it red. Select this path and give it this magenta color. Give purple color to this path, and at last select this path and give it this blue color. Now select all these paths, go to Object menu, Blend and choose Make. Double click this Blend tool button to open the dialog box. Select specified steps from here and enter 500. With this blend selected, double click this rotate button and enter 15 as angle value. Now pick rectangle tool, click once here, enter 690 for the width and 360 for the height. Pick black arrow tool now, pick this rectangle and place it like this so that none of this part is out of this color blend. Now select both these shapes, go to Object menu, Clipping Mask and choose Make. Pick it with black arrow and place it right at its corner like this. Right click on it, go to Arrange and send it to back like this. Now select this path, go to Effect menu, Stylize and pick Drop Shadow. Keep the mode to multiply, opacity to 100%, X offset to -6, Y offset to 6 and blur to 2 points. Double click this color bar to open this color picker box. Here enter 170 for R, G and B values and press OK. Now select this path, come again to Drop Shadow effect. Keep all the values same. Just change the X offset value to 6 and Y offset value to -6 and press OK. And now for the final move, pick the rectangle tool, draw an artboard sized rectangle like this. Now press Ctrl A to select all the shapes. Go to Object menu, Clipping Mask and choose Make. Now come to the Layers panel and turn on the visibility for this layer. And here we are. The design is ready now. Hit like and share if you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching Knack Graphics.